Ever wondered how you can take part in the AI revolution and create jaw-dropping art like this and this? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm King Daniel, and I help creative entrepreneurs like you overcome lack of time by providing tools, tips, and tricks to optimize life. So welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find Midjourney, how to use it effectively, and my secret hacker strategy for creating the best possible prompts that have that wow factor we all know and love. So let's dive right into it. So to access Midjourney, you first got to go to midjourney.com. And once you're there on midjourney.com, you're going to see on the bottom right, join the beta. Now, if you don't have a Discord account, you can just go over to discord.com. The link for that will be in the description, but click join the beta. And when you do that, you'll get access to the Midjourney server. Now in the Midjourney server, you're going to see all these channels on the left. And when you do that, you want to find a room here. Like let's go to newbies-108. From this room is where you can see what everybody is creating. And this is also where you can create your own images. Now to create an image in Midjourney, you have to hit / in here, and you can see all the list of prompts you can use for Midjourney. If you select here, Midjourney bot, we're gonna go with imagine and type in whatever you want. Say we want to imagine a cyborg ninja in a city, let's say vaporwave style. Make it super simple. We'll give some time for that to generate. And while that's generating, we're actually gonna come here. This is what I use when I wanna have like awesome, crazy, where's it at? Awesome, crazy prompts. So this is a plugin called AI. It's called AIPRM. And if you just do a search for AIPRM for ChatGPT, boom, it's a Chrome store extension. I'll have the link for that in the description as well. But you just download it into your Chrome or Brave, whatever browser you're using, and you can see all the different types of prompts that you get access to. There's over 3,000 prompts, and you can do a search here for whatever kind of prompt that you want. So if we're looking for Midjourney prompts, we can type in Midjourney, and then you'll see there's 42 different Midjourney prompts that you can use. If we wanted to do a hyper-realistic Midjourney prompt, let's go a beautiful cat playing basketball or baseball. Let's do baseball. Boom. With that extension, it's going to give you a Midjourney prompt that you can just plug and play right into Midjourney. And I'm going to show you exactly how that looks like as soon as it's done. So we're going to copy this. We'll go back over to Midjourney. Now that first prompt that we did, the cyborg ninja in a city in vaporwave style, this is what it created. Honestly, I think number 4 and number 2 are the dopest in my opinion, but I also want to see what it looks like, the prompt that they gave, that it gave us the extension. I'm going to go to my own server to show you this. Now this is the prompt that AIPRM gave us to create a a hyper realistic or hyper detailed and hyper realistic image. So let's see how that turns out. Check this out. This is what it created, and honestly, this does look hyper realistic. This almost looks like a real cat that you would see. Check this. 4 different images. Honestly, I like this first one. Super simple. It's really cute with that jersey on. Half on. But look at that. You got this awesome lighting here, sitting in a baseball field. And that's it. So what questions do you have about AI? If you have any questions about AI, please drop them in the comments and let me know. And if you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a like. It lets me know that this is exactly what you were looking for. You can find all the useful links in the description that can help you out if you're lost. And if you need help, just drop a comment and let me know. Until next time, kings and queens, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.